Hi, everyone, the small engine mechanic here. Today, we will be replacing the pump on this Simpson 30 to 100 PSI pressure washer. This is a good example of why a pressure washer needs to be winterized. First, we will start by removing the pump mount bolts. I always leave the top one tight until I remove the other three. Once they are removed, you can remove the last bolt. Since this pump is new, it will slide off easily from the crankshaft. I am now rotating the crankshaft so the keyway is facing straight up. Be sure to remove the old crankshaft key. The new pump should always come with a new key and mounting hardware. I am applying anti-seize lubricant to the crankshaft. This will make it easier to remove the pump for future repairs. The new crankshaft key can now be installed. I normally leave a little bit of the key sticking past the crank to make aligning the pump to the crankshaft easier. All new replacement pumps should come with new hardware, including a lock washer, flat washer, and bolts. When aligning the pump to the crankshaft, you may need to rotate the crankshaft to match the pump's drive. Once aligned, the pump should slide onto the crankshaft with no problems. Now, we can reinstall the new mounting hardware in the same order as removed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more small engine repair tips. Once all 4 bolts have been installed, we can now tighten them down. Starting from one corner and moving to the opposite diagonal corner. Then tightening the 3rd and 4th bolt. Most pumps will come pre-filled with oil, so it is vital to remove this vent plug so the oil vapors can vent when running. Be sure to check the level of the oil in the pump before testing. Prior to testing the engine, always check the oil level and check for fuel. If your pressure washer does not have one of these, you will need to purchase one. It is a screen that protects the pump from any debris that might be in the hose. Always bleed any air trapped in the system before attempting to start a pressure washer. Now that most of the air has been bled, we can start the engine and test the pressure washer. The pulsating is air that is still trapped exiting the pump. The pump's pressure is at 3,300 PSI. While it is not necessary for the homeowner to conduct pressure tests, I like to verify that the pump is unloading at the proper pressure. Adjust the unloader valve to verify that the pressure changes. Everything looks to be running perfectly. So, that can only mean one thing.
It looks like another one is good to go.